But let's shift focus to what's happening within the realty pack and how the demand revival is actually shaping up. We have with us Atul Goyal from Brigade Group joining in on the show. He's the CFO of the company. Atul, hi, good morning. Good to have you on the show. Atul, while there's no taking away from the fact that people are buying more homes, but what's the latest data indicating about whether or not the ticket sizes have increased or not? Or is it more the affordable housing which is seeing the big boom?
Good morning. I think the demand today is in the mid-income housing. Actually, I can say for South Indian cities where we are present, the ticket size in the range of point to around 60 lakhs to 1.5 crores. I think that is a sweet spot today, and people are buying there. I think a lot of young generations today who are into ITES are looking for houses, and that is spiraling the demand. I think today, if you see as a spread, mid-income housing is garnering around 60 to 65%. And of course, 18-19% is luxury housing and rest is affordable. Affordable is very low because selling at 45 lakhs is not a good proposition for any developer, and it's become a lot of tough for the developers. And I think government will have to think to increase that affordable housing pricing to see that developers can give a good housing to the consumers.
Sure. Atul, but what's your observation when it comes to whether or not consumers or buyers are being able to absorb prices and the price uptick or not? Because our channel checks indicate that pricing power as well is coming back to now the real estate developers and builders. A, whether you yourself have undertaken any price increases, and B, how are they getting perceived in a market such as Bangalore, where you yourself said that it's actually the mid-income housing where you're finding maximum traction?
See, I think price increases have been taken very, very positively by the customers. See, a lot of consolidation is happening in the industry. I think now only big real estate players are today increasing their market share. Customers have that confidence after the RERA and GST. And I think people are looking as an investment avenues in real estate, seeing that the equity prices or the share market has gone up so high, so it has come again as an investment avenue for the for various consumers. So I think they are looking at it positively. They are looking for a price increases slowly, so that they can earn some returns on their real estate investment. Yes, every developer is doing some price increases, but it will be in the range of 3 to 5%. I think they are very, very pragmatic about that. And if you see the amount of raw material increase or the increase which has happened is also warranting the price increase for all the developers.
Hi, Mr. Goyal. The question I wanted to ask you also was that now in the last week, we've had press conferences by all the major IT companies, right, and corporates who are now talking about going back to the office. The employees have received vaccination, run rates of 80 to 85%. Are you expecting a pickup in commercial real estate anytime soon? Has it started happening?
Definitely. I think if you see data, 12.5 million square feet absorption has happened in last quarter, and I think it should improve from here. The vacancy levels at Bangalore are very, very low. Still, it is a single-digit number, though it may be high at in various other places, mainly NCR. So returning office is definitely a very, very positive sign, and I think the occupancy and all the commercial real estate has been increasing. I think in our properties, we have reached to around 25 to 30%, and it increasing day by day. So I think commercial real estate is here to stay. I think once the international travel also starts, I think decisions will be very fast. At least we are seeing lot of interest from the customers who wants to take office spaces. All renewals are also happening in time, as you are reading in all the papers. So I think there is no issue, and seeing the way funds are investing in India, in REITs, I think commercial market is going to do very, very well with, and also the new businesses which are going to come after the China slowdown. I think that is also going to add to the office space in India.
Okay, the most telling point, of course, being that in the last quarter, you've seen 13 million square feet of office space being absorbed. Now, Mr. Goyal, something that my ears perked up with was when you were telling Aisha that, prices cannot right now go up more than 3 to 5%. We're talking at a time when interest rates are low, builders are sitting on so much inventory. Would that still mean that even though this is one of the best boom times for the property market in over a decade, builders have not been able to offload all their unsold inventory as yet? Is that another way of looking at it? Which is why, despite the inflation, etc., none of you folks are raising prices.
Market, at least again, South, I can say property markets has been stagnant for very, very long time. So it's a slow beginning, but definitely there will be price increases going future, and you will see in coming quarters. Definitely there has been inflation, but developers are right now very, very cautious on increasing the prices because the market has just come after a so long lull in last 4 or 5 years. Of course, inventory, at least I can say for South Indian city, inventories have been going very, very fast. I think today the inventories at which developers are sitting are very low as compared to what they were 1 year before. This I'm talking about all the listed developers and the graded developers. Yes, small developers are still facing that challenge because of their financial issues. And I think slowly this growth in the price will come quarter after quarter going ahead.